So the high tooth gesso, once again, it's got all the good stuff that the other gessos have in them, the calcium carbonate for when you're oil painting. It is white, quite opaque, but has a really high tooth. So terrific for pastels, for charcoal, and indeed the high tooth gesso out of all the other gessos has a different binder in it that's more tolerant to heat than the other gessos need to be. So it's very good for encaustic work, putting hot wax over the top of it. It will help to block anything coming through, so maybe a stain on the back of your canvas, or if you're working on panel or on wood, you want to try and block anything that might come through and stain or change the colour of your painting. The gesso will help to do that too. And for oil painters, so you can use oil paint over the top of this water-based acrylic gesso. For oil painters, it also contains calcium carbonate or calcite grounds, and that helps to void the effects of the off-gassing that happens with oil paints decades down the track. That gas will tend to attack the canvas, so the gesso will stop the gas getting through from the oil paints through the canvas. Not a worry for those of us that paint with acrylics, but certainly something to keep in mind if you paint with oils. So if you've been looking for a gesso that's got just that little bit more tooth to it, why not give high tooth gesso a go? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them down below.